This video is about the metric system. You're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil to take some brief notes. The metric system revolves around SI units. The SI unit for length is the meter, and the SI unit for mass is the kilogram. In chemistry, we will be using time, temperature, and the amount of substance as well. Volume in liters is another important unit used in chemistry, but it is a derived unit, not an SI unit. Prefixes are used to convert from the base unit to a larger or smaller unit. Hopefully this is familiar from biology or science. The prefix, such as kilo or hecto, cannot be used alone. They must be accompanied by a base unit, such as gram or liter or mole. This system is based on a unit of 10. For example, there are 10 decimeters in 1 meter, because a decimeter is 1/10 of a meter based on the meaning in the chart. In another example, there are 100 grams in 1 hectogram. How many centiliters are in 1 liter? Look at the chart and try to answer this for yourself. There are 100 centiliters in 1 liter. Here's where you should start writing. Click on pause and copy this chart into your notes. At the bottom, you'll see the words, King Henry's daughter, Barbara, drinks chocolate milk. This is a mnemonic device to help you remember the order of the prefixes. Once you know the relationships within the metric system, it's very simple to make conversions. Since the system is based on a factor of 10, you must have to move the decimal place to make conversions. In our first problem, we're going to convert 15 liters to milliliters. So I look at the liters. It is a base unit. And I'm going to go to milliliters, which is over here. So to go from liters to milliliters, I need to move 1, 2, 3 times. So I'm just going to move the decimal place next to 15 to the right, the same direction, 3 times. So it should be 15,000. The next problem has us converting 0.25 grams to centigrams. So again, you're going to find the given, which is grams, which is right here at a base unit, and we're trying to go to centigrams, which is right here. So we're going to move 1, 2 to the right. So we're going to move the decimal point in 0.25, 1, 2 to the right as well. So that'll be 25 centigrams. Now we're converting from 750 centimeters to kilometers. Circle the place where you're starting and the place where you're going to go and see if it agrees with mine. So we have centimeters and kilometers. So we're moving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places to the left. So 750 centimeters, decimal is assumed to be right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left. So 0.0075 kilometers. Try these problems. Pause the video, write down the problems, and try solving them using your notes. The next slide has the answers so you can check. Almost every country in the world has converted to the metric system. The countries in red have not. There have been some major mishaps with not using the metric system. One of the most expensive ones was the Mars Climate Orbiter, which cost $327 million, and it overshot the planned trajectory because the computer software was non-metric. Another event was a plane that earned the nickname of the Gimli Glider because it ran out of fuel at 41,000 feet in the sky. This happened because one pilot used kilograms and the other one used pounds. Official standards representing the kilogram, meter, second, etc. are kept in Paris. Copies are distributed around the world so that scientists can calibrate their equipment.